In this video, I'm going to show you 9 proven and legitimate methods that you can start using to make money online. Stay tuned. Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Jacob coming at you with another video. And like I said off the top, this video, I'm going to show you 9 proven and legitimate ways that you can start making money online. If this is your first time on the channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm dropping videos daily about ways to make money online, a lot of content around affiliate marketing, ways to generate passive income. So if that interests you, please subscribe, hit the bell notification button so you get notified every time I come out with a new video. Now, the methods I'm going to show you today, there's a mixed bag, there's a few different things, but all of them you're going to need to invest some time to learn some new skills. Anything to be worth doing, you need to put some time into it to learn some skills so that you can add value to other people's businesses, to other people's lives, so that in exchange for that, you can earn money, right? So I'm not going to sit here and bullshit you and tell you that, all of these ways are going to make you a millionaire overnight and you're not going to have to learn or put in any work. They're all going to take work. They're all going to require you to learn some new skills. But that said, if you put the time in to learn the skills, you can make a hell of a lot of money with each of these methods. So let's jump into the computer right now and we're going to fire through them. The first one you can see here is a website called Fiverr. This is a big marketplace for digital assets. So you can either go and purchase or build digital assets like domains or websites or apps externally and then bring them on here and try and sell them. Or if you learn what drives a good website, what drives sales on websites, how to drive traffic, you can purchase them on here and you can basically renovate them. You can get more traffic to them. You can increase their profitability, increase their sales, and then resell them back on the platform. It's a very, very powerful marketplace if you learn the skills necessary to get traffic and drive sales to a website. So that's one that you can literally make thousands and thousands of dollars if you go and learn the skills. So keep that one in mind. The next one's really, really good for beginners, and it's Fiverr. If you're just getting started, you want to get some money coming in online, go and learn how to do a very discrete skill, maybe photo editing, video editing, something really simple, something that's hot and people are purchasing on Fiverr, and then go and create a few different listings. This is going to get some money start coming in. It's going to build your confidence. It's going to teach you how to interact with clients. It's going to teach you how to work to deadlines. And it's generally just going to set you up with a really good foundation for starting to build an online business. Do your research, go and learn some skills, and Fiverr can be a really, really good way to get started. If you like the freelancing model that they have on Fiverr, you can then look to step things up. And I've got a website here called Upwork. Now, Upwork is like the next level up when it comes to Fiverr and it comes to freelancing services. So give this one a go. This is where you can start earning a lot more money providing your freelancing services. So if you get started with Fiverr and then really want to level up, you can look at starting to offer your services on Upwork. Now, the next one we've got here is really around selling physical products on your own website. You can go and purchase them in a retail store, or you could go and purchase them on a website like Alibaba, and then you can list them and sell them. With a bit of market research, with putting a bit of time and effort in, you can find products that are hot, products that are trending, and you can make a hell of a lot of money with e-commerce. Now, if you don't want to go and create your own website, you're not confident in doing that, but you're still able to go out and find products that people want to buy, then just use eBay. It's tried, tested, and proven, and it works. There's a huge marketplace here, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of people on there at any time searching to buy stuff. So find a good product, put it in front of them, and you can make money. Now, the next one is even better. It's along the same e-commerce kind of line, but it's drop shipping and using a website called AliExpress. You don't actually have to purchase anything until you sell it, and you also don't have to hold any of the stock. So you can just set up a website or you can sell something on eBay, and then when it gets sold, then you come onto AliExpress and you purchase it, and it gets shipped directly to your customer. So it's a much more simplified model, simplified version of the e-commerce, the eBay business models that we spoke about here before. If you can really, really hone your skills in this area, you can make a ton of money, especially with trending and hot products. If you spend time looking at Google Trends, looking at what's hot on Instagram, looking at what other people are selling on Instagram, that's what's going to tell you is working. One hot tip is go and look at like meme pages on Instagram and look at what people are selling on there. And if you consistently see certain people selling certain products, that's a really, really good tip that they're making money, and you should probably look into it. So keep that one in mind. The next one's going to require you to learn some unique skills, but ClickFunnels has a really big community, and I've seen beginners come in and learn how to build funnels and charge hundreds, if not thousands of dollars to build really simple funnels just for people that maybe don't have the time or they don't have the skill set. So you can get a 14-day free trial to ClickFunnels. You can come in, learn how it all works, and you can start offering funnel building services. The benefit of this is not only can you charge for it, but if they sign up using your affiliate link, then you can keep making money every month that the person continues to use the software. So that's a really nice way to combine a couple of different business models in affiliate marketing that we're going to talk a little bit more about in a second, but also making money on the front end by building funnels for people. The next one we've got here is a website called Udemy. This is a big marketplace for online courses, and I really like this model because you can go and learn a really simple skill, and then you can put a course together teaching it once you've mastered that skill. And these can be really, really basic. Some of the courses on here that have sold thousands of copies are an hour or two long. So find something that people want to learn, find something that's already selling, go and learn the skill, and then package it up in a really high quality course, and you can make money selling it on Udemy. There's a big marketplace here. There's people that are looking for products. There's people that are wanting to learn how to do certain things. So you could put a course together every single week, and in 3 months' time, you'd have a really nice catalog of different courses that are just going to sit there and constantly make you passive income. Now, the courses on here aren't expensive, so it's not going to make you a fortune, but it could easily make you an extra $500, $1,000, $2,000 a month just by putting in some work, learning some new skills that you could probably go and apply to other aspects of your business, but can then make you some quick money by selling the courses on Udemy. The very last one, the one that I wanted to leave to last because this is my favorite business model and it's how I make a lot of my money online, is affiliate marketing. Now, ClickBank is just one marketplace. It's a good example of where you can find affiliate products to promote. Web software like ClickFunnels have great affiliate programs. There is thousands and thousands of different affiliate programs. And the reason I love this business model for people getting started online is literally all you have to focus on is driving traffic. You don't have to worry about anything else. So all you have to go out there is master one traffic strategy. Master SEO, master video, master Facebook ads, master Google ads, master Bing ads, master social media, build a Facebook group, whatever it is, one traffic source. Combine that with affiliate marketing and you can make a full-time living online. You can make 6 figures. That's what I've done. I went out and learned a few different traffic strategies. When you start to combine them together, it is an insanely powerful business model. And you don't have to handle support. You don't have to create the products. You don't have to deal with fulfillment, merchant accounts, refunds, anything like that. It's very simple. All you have to learn how to do is drive traffic. So that's 9 business models that you can go and learn. Trust me, if you learn the skills and implement any one of these 9, you can make a really, really good amount of money online. It's up to you to go and learn the skills that you need to implement each of these. But this is 9 platforms that are online, ready to go. You learn the skills and you can make money with every one of them. So hopefully you found that helpful. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I'm dropping videos daily about different ways to make money online, a lot of content about affiliate marketing, how to generate passive income streams, working from your laptop, working from your smartphone, and there's plenty more content coming down the pipeline. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I drop a new video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.